Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Binance has discontinued spot trading pairs with Tether's USDT in the European Economic Area to comply with the markets in crypto assets regulation. Users in the EEA can still custody the affected tokens and trade them in perpetual contracts. US buyers snapped up more pickup trucks and SUVs in the first quarter from a year earlier in the run-up to President Trump's tariffs on auto imports, which could raise prices. GM topped the list with a 17% jump in sales, aided by demand for its affordable crossover SUVs. Gold prices eased on profit-taking, but remain near record highs as investors turn to the safe haven asset ahead of President Donald Trump's planned announcement of sweeping tariffs on countries that have a trade imbalance with the US.
The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.